Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, basically what I'm doing is I'm installing lighting, just temporary lighting for now. So again, as you can see here, I have my lighting circuits here, and what I'm going to do is try to make sure that I connect the proper wires. That's not allowed. So this here is basically my best friend, like I said. I use it to troubleshoot. Just have to have it on the proper settings when you're trying to use it. As you see, that didn't went out, so clearly that's not the wire I'm looking for. And again, thank you guys for tuning into my short video, and I'll catch you on the next video. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now that my inspection has passed, I'm going to be putting on my cover. It's required by code to have this on once they start to power up this panel. So I'm going to be putting my cover on. that's it. So please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be diving into the world of electrical installation of panel breakers. And please stay tuned for some exciting work. And I hope you are watching this video thrill. And let's get started. So what I have here is in my previous video, I have 20 amp receptacle. It's going to be a single phase. Single phase means it's going to be one hot, one neutral. So right now, what I did was I took my red wire and I taped it white to identify this wire here, as you see, as a white neutral that's going to go onto the neutral bar. As you can see, all my wires on the neutral bar are white. So in order to not confuse someone else, the code states that you have to identify the neutral with some kind of tape of some sort. Okay, as you can see, I have my two 15 amp breakers here. These are 20 amp. These are going to be 20 amp receptacles. So I'm not going to be installing these on my 15 amp breakers. I'm going to be installing these two blacks, which are 15 amps. The requirement by code is if you have a 14 gauge wire, you're to install the 14 gauge wire on a 15 amp breaker. Okay. What I have here is a set of wire strippers that I use to strip my wires so I can install it onto the breaker. So on this wire stripper, it has a set of numbers that you will use accordingly to the wire that you have. You see, I take that, I strip that. Okay. I will take this wire, I will put it into the breaker. Make sure that my wire is neatly placed. I'll take the second wire and put it onto the breaker. And I'll always make sure that my wires are cut short enough where there's no copper showing outside of the breaker, if you can see. Okay, let me adjust this right here. And if you can see, I'll take the light here. You can see here, there's no copper showing at all, okay? Then I will take my two other breakers. I'll try to balance out the